Hi guys, we're keeping our demo lecture today. So in case you want to attend that demo lecture, please call the numbers given here. And or if you want to join us for the books, mock, shortcut, whichever program you want to join, just call the numbers given here and my team will be more than happy to help you out. Yeah. So this Monday also we're launching our new program. In case you want to join the new program, you can also join our new program from this Monday. Just call the numbers and they'll help you out with all the details. I got this message from a student. The reserved category student cannot survive the high pressure environment of MBA because they've got low percentile. Okay, let me explain that question again. Because reserved category student ka cutoff is low. Okay, for example, a particular IM have an open category cutoff as 99 percentile, OBC cutoff as 92 percentile, SC ST cutoff as 80 percentile. Let's take the example. PWD SC ST 80 percentile, OBC EWS 90 percentile, 90 कर लेते हैं, and open category 99 percentile. This means, according to that post, those people who have got low percentile cannot compete in the will perform less. Okay. Point number one, there is no correlation between your CAT percentile and your performance in life. CAT is just one exam यार. मैथ्स वो अच्छा कर लिया, स्कोर आ गया, मैथ्स वो अच्छा नहीं किया, स्कोर कम आया. All depend upon how you perform the exam. That is nowhere related to your performance in your life. Fine. Ambani, Ratan Tata, any of the big shot people, if you make them sit for the CAT exam, I can bet on that most of them will flop. Fine, because management skills is different, but unfortunately in India we have an entrance exam for everything. Fine, trust me, there is an entrance exam for everything because competition ज़्यादा, उनकी भी क्या गलती है, there is a competition, so they have to keep an exam. Okay, now coming to the point, okay, there is no relationship. Point number one. Point number two, the moment you join the B school, this means all your relationship with your caste, color, creed is cancelled. How you perform in the next 2 years is what matters. ठीक है, once you're sitting on the seat, a B school can make you sit on that seat and nobody, no faculty, none of your friends, none of the companies coming on campus can ask you about the reserved category, about your category status. Nobody have right to ask that. Fine, there are some companies which do that. They ask you for the CAT percentile because from the CAT percentile they can try to judge. ठीक है, वो कुछ कंपनी करते हैं which is bad, but ठीक है, वो कुछ करते हैं लोग, we can't help it. So there is no problem at all. You have, once you join the B school, it's all about your personality. Trust me guys, all those people who have posted on Quora, yes, there might be some students who are not good, who lack comm skills, but that can be true for open category as well. That is true for every category student. So we can't say just because you have some reserved category, you couldn't get a job because your CAT percent is low. ठीक है, so don't go by that. चलेगा 10-12, there is no 10-12 का relationship, but that's true for open category as well यार. Fine, so don't worry about that कि आपका कम है, तो आप कट ऑफ क्लियर करो, join the college, वहाँ जाके how you perform is important. I always compare with the शीशा. Look in the mirror. If you see a strong personality, you are sorted. If you don't see a strong personality, then we have to improve that. Improve that those areas, whatever the weak area, let's improve that point. ठीक है, तो हो गया, बात खत्म. ये सब ना अंदर जाने के बाद देयर विल बी इन एनी बी स्कूल 80% people will get a decent or a good job, 20% people will not get a good job, and these are the people who will try to demotivate everyone else. अरे मत जाओ, जॉब नहीं मिलता, ये वो, this and that. So they can give the example. No doubt about this, there might be a couple of students from the reserved category or even open category who are bad in comm skills, and everybody out of 400 students, they're giving the example of these 4 people, 1% of the audience who is very very bad. ठीक है, open reservation can be from anybody, any sphere, any walk of life. What about the remaining people जो अच्छे हैं, उनका एग्जाम्पल हो ना, नहीं उनका एग्जाम्पल लेंगे वो, that's an Indian mentality यार. If you see a plain white paper with a one spot in the corner, everybody will focus on कि वो corner में spot क्यों आया. ठीक है, they will forget all the good signs, they won't see the full white paper, they'll see that black spot. So don't look at those 1%. ठीक है, I have seen my students from the top B school where average salary is 20 lakhs, he got 8 lakh का package. ठीक है, when he was joining the college, I told him on day 1, boss, improve your comm skills, improve your personality, otherwise वहाँ जाके बहुत problem आएगा. And that guy did nothing on himself, no improvement. फाइन, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कोई कोर्स कर लो यार, कुछ भी कर लो यार, इंप्रूव योर पर्सनैलिटी, एटलीस्ट फकिंग स्टार्ट टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश. यू गॉट 2 years का टाइम टू इंप्रूव योर कॉम स्किल्स. ठीक है, एंड दैट्स ट्रू फॉर एवरीवन, नॉट फॉर जस्ट फॉर रिजर्व कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट. दिस वीडियो इज फॉर एवरीवन. फाइन, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. Just because you're lower percentile in CAT exam, no one is going to ask you for the CAT percentile the moment you enter the B school. ठीक है, sorted. So focus on getting a good score and getting in the good college. Ignore all these things. बहुत लोग आएंगे बोलने वाले, trust me. All the best.